Welcome to the Audit Report video. This video will show the user how to access the audit report and its features. In the Client portal, select Audit Report from the Reports drop-down menu. The screen will default to the current date's activity. The date range can be changed by clicking on the date range and selecting the new dates. When the arrow to the left of the data is clicked, it will open a new line with more information regarding the audit report entry. If applicable, previous value and new value are shown. By default, all audit activity for client users is displayed. To narrow the search, click the Filters drop-down icon at the top. Select the desired client user from the drop-down and click Apply. When a specific user is selected, only actions taken by that user are displayed. The audit report can be downloaded into a CSV file and will show the same information as in the Client portal.